Hello, crocheters. Where have I been? I know that's been at the top of your minds. Where has Donna been? With her daily stitch tutorials, with all of the other things. Well, I will give you a quick little update and then show you what's coming up in my crochet world. I hope to unfold all of that here quickly and concisely. My husband is a yoga teacher, and he's mostly online now, and he teaches private one-on-one yoga sessions here in Dallas, Texas. I am going to link to his YouTube page in the description here, Jeffrey Farrell. Yoga with Jeffrey Farrell is his YouTube page. In any case, we have had to do a big tech conversion for him in terms of how he offers group sessions, and part of that is making his YouTube channel a place where we're uploading videos and where he's hosting live sessions. You didn't ask any of that. However, I would say my husband is not tech savvy, all right? Not tech savvy. Kind of get off my tech lawn is kind of his attitude. And so I've had to do a couple of things, which is really divert all of my efforts toward the tech conversion of how he operates his business. And, you know, teaching him Instagram and Facebook, and he's got an online community. I'm going to link that in case any of you are ever interested in some of this in addition to crochet. In any case, and not only have I had to kind of do all of the details of the tech, or it will just never get done, but I've also had to sort of give him little tutorials, and some of those are, you know, emotionally exhausting. Anyway, I love him, but we're having to overcome some mental barriers with regard to his previous conclusions and opinions about social media and all of that. So I have been throwing myself wholeheartedly into that effort because that is the main way our household survives, is through his work that way. And one thing that was very convincing to him was when I said, you've got to really take on this burden yourself. You've got to overcome feeling negative about it, and you've got to take ownership about learning the skills, because either we're both only focused on your business, or you learn these things, you run your business, and then I can also run mine, and then we've got twice the productivity going on in the household now that the kids aren't needing as much of our attention anymore since they're in college. I've got a dog barking at the back door. She's fine for a long time until I turn on a video to record, of course. In any case, I've been throwing all of my effort into that right now. We have that mostly set up. Things are mostly going. He's got now a schedule for posting and yada, yada, yada. So I've been going to focus on my own back to crochet. So I was going to film tutorials. Market season starts Saturday, but I didn't think I was on the market season list. But ta-da, I found out late yesterday I am on the list for this Saturday. Oh no, I am not ready. I'm not ready. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to show up with the inventory that I have. Say hi to everybody, assure everybody, yeah, I'm still a vendor at this market, and just go from there. Gosh, I have so many other things I have to do as well. In any case, but I wanted to show you, I have made, I did start making a bunch of waffle stitch. I need to find the camera. There you are. Waffle stitch towels. I need to put a border on this. I'm going to put a nice little single crochet border on this. I have different colors. They all need borders, and they need their ends woven in. I've got purple. Who wants a purple dish towel? These are small for dish towels, but they're bigger than dishcloths. So I don't know. This lovely bright yellow. I love this yellow. It's cotton from Knit Picks or We Crochet. It's the same company. They just want to cater to knitters and crocheters. Anyway, I love this. And then this one I did finish except for weaving in one end. I love this multicolor with the purple. It's just a single crochet border. 3 single crochets here in the, let me look at the camera and show you. 3 single crochets for, I think it's 3 rows of single crochet borders, 3 single crochets to form the corner. So that's that. It's waffle stitch, single crochet border. If you're a crocheter, get you some of that gorgeous, gorgeous dishy cotton yarn. That's my, one of my dogs is inside. How did she get inside? I didn't let her in. Okay, I'm confused. In any case, I'm going to let my other doggy in, and I'm going to talk about the market while I do that, and then I have one other special project to show you, and people are waiting for the pattern for this because I made it up myself, and I've been talking about it for weeks. But derailment. I'm going to let in my dog, Frodo, while my other dog goes outside, and now Frodo wants to stay outside with the other dog. But you're not here for dog talk. Are you coming in? You guys coming in? Okay, they're coming in. All right, so there we go. All right, let's get back, and I'm going to show you this other, it's a pocket shawl I designed. What did I call it? Rose Garden, maybe? I think that's what I called it. I wrote it down somewhere. In any case, it's good. I have to make the pockets and sew them on, but I did this really lovely bobble stitch, and then blossom stitch, and then this crisscross treble crochet, and then I just kind of repeated these patterns. So this, and I did a shell stitch border. No, I did a blossom stitch border, not quite shell, similar though. So that's what this is. And I made this with Lion brand Heartland yarn in Wolf Trap. And oh gosh, what is the name of this color? It isn't Kobuk Valley, that's purple. So whatever this pink one is, and if I remember the name of that color, I'll let you know. But I mean, you see it here, right? Look, I gotta look at the camera, not myself. So you see it here. I'll hold it up there. You can figure it out if you go to Joann's or to Lion Brand's website. Lion Brand Heartland is the line. And it's the same line of yarn that I was using for the Perfect Pockets pocket shawl. That was designed by Not Yourself Out. I love her. Oh my gosh. So that was designed by her, but this is my own design. But that's just such a perfect pocket shawl yarn that I used it for that. But I'll probably branch out to another brand of that yarn. In any case, that pattern and that tutorial is coming. Can I get ready for market this weekend is the question. Will I be ready? I need to now. I finished my husband's stuff last night, and then got that email from the market organizer. So there's no breathing, no downtime. So I've got to figure out how to do some other things that are also urgent priorities for our household and get ready for the market. But you know what? I might as well relax. I might as well work steady, relax, not lose sleep, and just show up with what I have. Yes, that's my dog that just barked to come in and then wants to be let back out. That's what she lives for. In any case, thank you for tuning in. I am going to pick back up with the daily stitch tutorials, and I'm just so sorry I fell behind. However, this diversion of my efforts was absolutely necessary to get the major income source for our household up and running. If you have watched this is not too much actual crochet information, so bless you for tuning in. And also, like, if you are a crocheter and you have difficulty juggling all the needs of your household with the pressures of you wanting to do this, talk to me about that, because I'm sure that I'm not alone, right? And market season is starting up, and I'm sure we're all starting to feel a little bit of pressure that way. So that's all I wanted to talk to you for now. And so I will be getting some stuff up, just oh my gosh, as soon as possible. I love you guys. Happy stitching. Bye bye.